Currently, in my intern position, I've been helping out some specialists and coordinators on our team. So these are all people who really know what they're doing. They have a lot of expertise in their specific areas. Sometimes you have this fear of not having passion for anything. Like sometimes you see people who are super into one thing and they do it their entire lives and they keep going at it. And sometimes you worry that you don't have that, and that's okay. I think that as you learn more about the world and as you meet more people, you'll develop that passion. I'm interested in putting my hands on a lot of different projects, getting to see what's going on in the GTA or even elsewhere in the world, elsewhere in Canada. So I really hope I can find an area that I'm really interested in, get really deep into it, delve into it, and then be able to provide my experiences to other people and meet a lot of great people along the way. My name is Iva. I am an intern with the Building and Material Sciences Department at EllisDon. Started in May, just this past May 2024, and I'll be here until September 2025.